Let's see how to connect two computers to the same Wi-Fi network in Windows 11. Now go to any computer. Then go to System Settings. Then go to Nearby Sharing. Now select Everyone Nearby. Then go to another computer. And similarly turn on Everyone Nearby. Now you can share any of your files or documents like this. Now select your document. Then right-click to share. Then select the name of your other recipient. This way you can share your files on each other's computers using Nearby Sharing.